A three-day Indian mini trade and exhibition has opened in Accra. The exhibition aims at creating a platform for businesses seeking partnership for trade, joint ventures, technology transfer, and investments from India. It is the first time Ghana is hosting the Indian show, which experts have described as the biggest exhibition so far to be held in Africa by India.
The relation between Ghana and India, which dates back to decades, has grown from strength to strength, opening many mutual doors for the promotion of trade, commerce and investment between the two nations. Ghana is currently hosting many Indian businesses that are doing well. As Ghana improves her status as an oil-producing country within the middle income bracket, India still remains a strong force in Ghana's forward march. This therefore reinforces the opening of the three-day India Mini Trade and Investments Fair in Ghana. The exhibition, dubbed the Indian Show, saw more than 200 business delegates and about 100 exhibitors participating. The Minister for Trade and Industry, Madam Hannah Tete, applauded the initiative and promised the Indian delegation that the trade ties between the two countries would be deepened for the betterment and mutual benefits of the two countries.
This is a good time to invest in Ghana. We had a GDP growth rate last year of 14%. We also have very strong prognosis for growth for the next years to come as a result of the investment in diversification of our economy. But we're not just looking to do these investments by the government of Ghana. We're looking to do more investments in infrastructure, in industry, in the services sector, building partnerships.
In West Africa region, India's trade is $20 billion. Today, I would like to exhort our industry, the chambers of commerce, both of ECOWAS region and India, to take this number to 40 billion by 2015.
An exhibitor, Madam Barbara Esina Mensah, who is the Corporate Affairs and Marketing Manager of Jospon Group of Companies, said they pride themselves in dealing in Indian products.
We have companies, about 32 subsidiaries, some of which supply Indian products. And so for us, for it to be an Indian show, the Jospon Group has to be represented.
The three-day fair is organized by the Indian Ministry of Commerce and Industry in collaboration with the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, and the ECOWAS regional grouping with support from the Indian government. Salme Tete, GTV News.